Life insurance might sound complicated, but it's actually a simple way to make sure your family is financially protected if something happens to you. In this guide, we'll explain everything in easy to understand steps so you can make the best choice for your family's future. Importance of life insurance. Life insurance is like a safety net for your family. If something unexpected happens to you, it provides money, called a death benefit, to your loved ones. This money can help them pay for important things like daily living expenses, food, bills, and other everyday costs. Your children's education, so they can continue their studies without financial stress. Paying off debts, like a home loan, car loan, or credit card bills. Funeral costs, which can be expensive and add to your family's burden. Without life insurance, your family might struggle to manage these expenses during an already tough time. That's why having life insurance is so important. It gives your family financial security. What is term life insurance? Term life insurance is the simplest and most affordable type of life insurance. Here's how it works. You pay a small amount of money, called a premium, every month or year. If something happens to you during the term, like 10, 20, or 30 years, your family gets a lump sum of money. If the term ends and you're still alive, the coverage stops, unless you renew it. Think of it like renting insurance for a specific period of time. It's a great option for people who want a lot of coverage at a low cost. Practical calculation for term insurance duration. To figure out how long your term insurance should last, ask yourself these questions. How long until my kids are financially independent? For example, until they finish college or start working. How long until I pay off my debts? Like a home loan or car loan. How long until I retire? For example, if you're 30 years old and plan to retire at 60, you might choose a 30-year term. If you have a 20-year home loan, you might choose a 20-year term to cover that debt. The goal is to have coverage for as long as your family depends on your income. Save money on insurance premiums. Here are some easy ways to lower your insurance costs. Buy early. The younger and healthier you are, the cheaper your premiums will be. Choose the right term. Don't buy a longer term than you need. Compare quotes. Check prices from different insurance companies to find the best deal. Live healthy. If you don't smoke and stay fit, you'll pay less for insurance. Small changes can save you a lot of money over time. How much insurance coverage do you need? The amount of coverage you need depends on your family's financial needs. Think about income replacement, how much money your family would need to replace your income. Debts, how much you owe on loans, credit cards, etc. Future expenses, like your kids' education or your spouse's retirement. A simple rule is to have enough coverage to replace 10 to 15 times your annual income. For example, if you earn 50,000 IR, you might need 50,000 IR, you might need 500,000 to $750,000 in coverage. Calculation of insurance coverage by annual income. Here's an easy way to calculate how much insurance you need. Take your annual income, e.g., $50,000, multiply it by 10 to 15, e.g., 50,000 x 10 is equal to 50,000 x 10 is equal to 500,000. Add any big debts, e.g., $200,000 home loan. Add future expenses, e.g., $100,000 for kids' education. Total coverage needed is equal to 500,000 plus 500,000 plus 200,000 plus 100,000 is equal to 100,000 is equal to 800,000 asterisk. This ensures your family has enough money to live comfortably. Get spam-free term insurance advice. It's important to get advice from someone you trust. Look for a licensed insurance agent or financial advisor. Online tools that let you compare plans without sharing your contact info. Reviews and recommendations from friends or family. Avoid giving your phone number or email to random websites, as they might spam you with calls and emails. Truth about zero-cost term plans. Some companies advertise zero-cost term plans, but here's the truth. These plans often combine insurance with investments, which can make them more expensive in the long run. They might have hidden fees or lower returns than expected. For most people, a simple term plan is cheaper and better. Always read the fine print and ask questions before buying. Conclusion: life insurance is one of the best ways to protect your family's future. Term life insurance is simple, affordable, and gives you peace of mind. By choosing the right term, calculating your coverage needs, and saving money on premiums, you can ensure your loved ones are taken care of. Remember, the earlier you start, the easier and cheaper it will be. Take your time, compare options, and make a decision that works.